Hello everyone. So in this video, it's going to be really quick just to show you guys the weight on the Shimano Ultegra cassette. This is a CS-R8000 11 speed, and the tooth I got is 1132 teeth. As you can see, they also have a few different other combinations for bigger climbs and for flat road riding, 1125. That's a pretty narrow gearing. But I got a 1132 to go with my new carbon wheel set for my gravel / cyclocross bike, which is a Giant TCX. And I'm just gonna weight this cassette for you guys. And in return, I also gonna show you guys how much of a weight gain, weight savings you're gonna get if you don't really need large cassettes, okay? So here we go, setting to 10, and this is the Ultegra R8000 1132, 282 grams. That's pretty light, right? Again, if you're living a flat area, you don't have to do a lot of big climbs. You can consider even going smaller, okay? The gearing shifting is going to be more smoother of a transition, and you're not going to waste any wattage on those gigantic cogs if you don't need it, right? All right, so we got the weight, 282 grams. That's with the cap. If you use a heavier cap, I think it's going to be heavier. Let's see. Yeah. So the cap, if you can find a lighter cap, it also helps, right? This one is aluminum, and the Dory one is actually a steel, pretty durable. So now let's weight the actual gravel cassette that I have, which is the Shimano Dory. This one is slightly on the heavier side, 554 grams. Wow, quite a lot of weight gain there if you actually do, like those bigger chain rings. They add a lot of weight because they're larger and they're made of steel. So the weight is there, okay? So that's a weight difference. And again, on the gravel bike, if you have a spare and you don't need the large cogs, it's better to get a smaller cog wheel. And let's see this one. This is the Schramm 1142. And this one is actually lighter, about 20 grams lighter. Again, still over 500 grams. So that's, again, a over 200 gram weight savings, or close to 200 gram weight savings by going for a smaller cog. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. I will have more bicycle maintenance related videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.